So student, yesterday what we have studied was for sine function, the domain was set of real number and range was this one, right? So when you find out inverse, what will happen? This will become domain and this will become range, right? So when you make this one as range, what happened? Inverse function does not exist. I have shown you yesterday, right? And in the graph also I have shown you that its inverse function does not exist. Why? The reason is, you can see here, when your angle is by pi by 2, your value will be 1. Now see, when your angle is again 5 pi by 2, again the value is 1. Means what? The image of pi by 2 and 5 pi by 2, I hope you can see 5 pi by 2, it's 1. Here also 1. You can see 9 pi by 2 if you take, means what? If you draw the arrow diagram, 5 pi by 2 also will have image 1, this also will have image 1, then 9 pi by 2 also will have image 1. Now in that case, if you inverse it, what will happen? 1 will have how many image? 1, 2, 3, in this way infinite image it will have, right? So that will not be any more function. So that's why what we have done modification. Here we didn't took those elements which repeats their image. Okay, now the question is why we have taken only this one. We could have taken, instead of pi by 2, we could have taken 3 pi by 2 also, right? Or I could have taken 9 pi by 2, because that I have to take only one element, right, which gives image 1. Rest, whichever are repeating, we are not taking that one. Now the question is, I could have taken this also, this also. By why I have taken pi by 2, the reason is, dealing with pi by 2, you know, it's much more easier than 3 pi by 2. Sine of pi by 2 will be easy to find out or not, instead of sine 3 pi by 2. Obviously the one which is easy, we will take that one. I hope you have understood. So from the graph, we have taken only this portion. You can see, try to understand. We have taken, for inverse, we have taken from here to here, only till here. I hope you're clear. Why? So you can see, when your x value is minus pi by 2, this value is minus pi by 2, your image is minus 1. You can see your image is minus, when your x is minus pi by 2, your image is minus 1. Now when your x is something here between minus pi by 2 to this, so you can see from your arrow diagram, between here somewhere some element will be here also, right? Its image will be what? Between 0 and minus 1. You can see when your x is something between 0 and this one, you can see your image will be somewhere here, then here, then here. At 0 the image also will be 0. Same way pi by 2 image will be 1. Now after that, if you take x value, whatever you will take, you will see it will repeat. This image is here also. I hope you can understand. This exactly image will be here, this image will be repeating here, right? In this way you will see all the image here will be repeating. So I'm not going to take all the things, so I'm going to take only from this dot to this dot. So you can see I can cover all the image here, minus 1 to 1. I'm not repeating anything here. X is not repeating and this one is also not repeating. So it is 1, 1 and on 2. That's why when you inverse it, you will get this one. Sine inverse, your range will be modified. It won't be set of real number anymore. I hope it's clear. So try to see the graph. If you want, you can download this apps, GeoGebra, and you can see there. Okay. So same way we will try to prove further also. For 10, the domain will be this, range will be this. I told you I will show you directly from the graph now, right? Because it takes lots of time to explain like that, the way I have explained sine. So I will just close sine here, and you can see the graph of 10, what it is. Can you see here? When try to understand the graph. When your x is 0, what is your y? 0. When your x is something here between minus 1 and pi by 2. Between minus 1 and pi by 2, when your x is here. Okay. What is your y? Something here. You can see somewhere here, right? Let me zoom in. When your x is 0, y is 0. When your x is somewhere here, your y is somewhere here, right? When your x is somewhere here, y is this one. x is pi by 2. Now the question is, see, when you made, remember trigonometric table, there 1090 was how much? Undefined, remember? You can see why it is undefined. At 90 degree, pi by 2 means what? 90 degree, right? You can see what is the value of y. It will never touch this line. Can you see here? If I keep on extending this one, you will see it will just go on like that. It will never touch this line. Never touch this line. The graph is like that. Okay? Means just before pi by 2, if you take anything, it will be like a big value. And right after that, pi by 2, it will never touch. That's why we used to write undefined. Means we cannot find out any value. For pi by 2, we cannot find out any y value. It will be undefined. Okay, that's why we used to take. So you can see same way 3 pi by 2 also undefined. 5 pi by 2 undefined. So odd multiple, you can see in odd multiple of pi by 2, you will never find out y value. So that's why in class 10 also, when you make a table, trigonometric table, 90 degree, at 90 degree, you never have any value here, trigonometry ratio. Okay. So in this case also, so it means what? You can see when your x is 0, you will have some y value. X is some greater than 0, you will have some y value, right? At pi by 2, you won't have any value. 3 pi by 2, that's why you can see the domain of 10 is what? Set of real number except odd multiple of pi by 2. Can you see? This is your domain, because this will not give you any value of y. I hope you can understand. So in your domain set, we will take all the real number except odd multiple of pi by 2 will not be here. Okay. All the values, 0 will be there, you can see. 0 will be there, greater than 0 and less than pi by 2 will be there. Means all the real numbers except pi by 2 will be not there. Okay. Then pi will be there. Right, pi will be there, next 2 pi will be there. Between this, all the values will be there except odd multiple. Okay, odd multiple of pi by 2. 3 pi will be there, here minus 2 pi, pi, minus pi, all will be there. Because for all you have y value, right? So see here carefully. So your image of 0 is what? 0 only, right? Your image of, you can see from here, image of x less than pi by 2 is what? Something is there, right? Except pi by 2, you have all the y value for any x. If you take 0 to pi by 2, between this any x value if you take, y value you will have. Obviously here its y value is very small. In this case y value is small. But as you move on, what will happen? As your x value will keep on increasing, y value also keep on increasing. And a time will come that it will be very large value. So here you cannot write what is the value here, all the values. Okay. So what I am going to write is, see here, minus pi by 2 will not be there. Or pi by 2 will not be there. But before pi by 2, whatever is there, you can see before pi by 2, whatever is there. If you keep on going like this, you can see. If I zoom it, it seems like it touched the line, right? Unit line, you can see. If I zoom it, there is a gap. I hope you can see there is a gap if I zoom it like this. So it will never touch. In class 11, I told you, right, about this one. Asymptote. This you will study in college level, okay? So this line will keep on extending like this, but it will never meet this line. Means for pi by 2, you will never have y value. Okay, but just before pi by 2, whatever is there, you will have some value there. I don't know what is the value. It will be large value, right? But it will have some value. Okay, so what we are going to do here is, you can see at 0, what is the image? 0 only, right? But at pi, what is the image? Pi also have image 0. Then you can see 2 pi, what is the image? Y value is how much here? Again 0. Same way, minus pi 0, 2 pi 0, like that it is having value, right? And rest you can see. If you take x from here, what we see, a y, this one, right? And this y is also repeating here, you can see this one. Whatever is this values, between 0 and pi by 2 it will be, okay? Some value is there. For that you will have, here, between 0 and pi by 2. Here will be some value, right? For that also you are having image, and you can see between 0 and pi by 2. I hope you can see now. Yes, here what is the image? This one, right? This one is the image, right? You can see when your x is this one, then also you will have same image. This image and this image will be same or not? Y value same, right? So at this x and this x, same value, means when you take x between 0 to pi by 2 and pi to 3 pi by 2, at that also you will have same y value, means this x and this x value will give you same image again. I hope you can understand. So in this case also I am not going to take all those repeating value, because if you take inverse, what will happen? You can see one element will have many image. If you reverse it, what will happen? 0 will have many image. Same way here, many image. Here many image, right? So I'm not going to take all those elements. So what I'm going to do is, you can see from the graph, you can understand this y value, this y value, this y value, all are repeating, right? So what I'm going to do is, so see here, first thing, what is the range? Range means your y value, right? What is your y value? You can see when your x is 0, y is 0. When your x is something less than pi by 2, what is your y? Infinite, right? It will be a big number from the real number. From the real number, it will be a big number. Then you can see if your x is here, somewhere here, something real number. Here also something real number, like 3. This is 3. When your x is this one, your y is this one. When your x is this, y is this one, this one, this one. You can see y is how many value? Infinite values are there. That is real number. All the real numbers will come out. And the negative real number also will come out. When your x is this one, y is this. X is this one, y is this. You can see x is this one, y is this. All the real numbers are not. All the real numbers will be your range. Are you getting my point? So you can see the range which one I have taken. Set of real number. Your domain is this. Range is this one. When your x you take from here, range you will get from here. I hope you can understand the image. This one y value, this was y value, this is x value. So only what will not come here in the domain, when you will take x odd multiple of pi by 2. I have shown you in the graph also. Odd multiple of pi by 2, then you will not get any y value. That's why I am taking domain what? R except odd multiple of my y by 2, pi by 2. Okay. So when you inverse it, what will happen? All the real numbers will be here, right? So see, if I draw arrow diagram for this one, just try to see here. If I draw the arrow diagram for this, what you will get? All the real number will be there except odd multiple of pi by 2. So I will take pi, 2 pi, minus 2 pi, minus pi, 0, minus pi, minus 2 pi, like that it will be. Okay, now all will have image. Okay, this all will have image. Okay, 0 will have image 0. This also will have 0. Now between this you will have something between. So let me show you from the graph only. Between 0 and minus pi by 2, what will be the image? Between 0 and minus pi, what will be the image? Image will be here. Here, can you see? When your x is this one, your image will be which one? This one. When your x is somewhere here, image will be this one. So obviously many image will be there, right? So all the many real number will come out. So all value I cannot write down here. So what I am going to do is, and I don't need also. So for this 0, you can see this arrow diagram. Many are there, right? So if I take all this one and reverse it, inverse when I take it, what will happen? 0 image will be 0, 0 image will be pi also, 0 image will be 2 pi also, like that it will come out. Minus 2 pi also, minus pi, pi, like that, 3 pi, like that it will come out. Many. Okay, so when you try to find out whether it is function, obviously it won't be a function, because see, it is having image, but how many image? Many image, infinite image it will have. So obviously it won't be a function. Function definition was what? It must have image, and it must have how many image? Exactly one image. So when you take inverse, it won't be inverse function. That's why here also we need to modify this one. We cannot take all the values. which one we will take, we will take only that one which will give you image only one. Okay, and rest what we will do with the repeating value, we will just cancel it. Okay, we will not take, otherwise it won't be inverse function anymore. So we will not take this like that, many we will not take. So 0 is giving you image 0, right? So I'm going to take only 0, rest I will just cancel it. Why? You know that sign of 0 will be much more easier to find out rather than these values. Okay, so 0 I will take. Now rest, what about this one? So first thing, your range was what? Set of real number, right? So all will be your image here. So for any value here, if you take, it will have image. I have shown you from the graph, and it's much more easier to understand from the graph only. Okay, when your x is something from between 0 to pi by 2, you can see all the positive real number will be your range, all the positive. So 0 to only pi by 2 if you take, only till pi by 2. Then 0 to pi by 2 only having infinite image here. All the positive image will be there. So no need of taking rest. I hope you can understand. 0 here, if I take minus pi by 2, only minus pi by 2 you can see x when you're 0 to minus pi by 2 you cannot take. Okay, just before minus pi by 2 whatever number are there. If you take x from here to here, what you're getting, you can see what will be your y value. All the real number, all the negative real numbers will be there or not. So what I want to say is 0 image will be 0, and between this whatever elements are there, this image will be what? Its image will be all the negative numbers, all the negative real numbers, and it will not repeat also. But if you take just after pi by 2 whatever, if you take, it will repeat. This image whatever it is, it will repeat like that. So I'm not going to take all those things. I hope you can understand. If I take less than that, see here, if I take this one, what will happen? Image again, y will be this one. This value we already got it, right? This if you take x, y will be this one. This value already we got it. So we are not going to take all this value, means x value we will not take this one, because it will just repeat, and this also will not take. Why? Because you can see this I will take here 0 to pi by 2, means if I take here pi by 2, what will be your image? 0 to pi by 2 if I take, you can see what will be the image. Y value will be all the real numbers. Can you see? Real number, y value, these are y value, real numbers. I will not take these values. Why? Because see, this will repeat. This image was there already, we have written, right, that one. So this image will be here already written, this image will be here. So these are all repeating, so we are not going to take those. So only from 0 to pi by 2 and minus pi by 2, if I take it, all the real image will be there, real value image will be there. So everything, all the image which you need to have, you will have between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Pi by 2 I cannot include, remember, because pi by 2 will not give you any y value. Just before pi by 2 it will give you a large value here, which will be a real number. Before that again large value, real number. If you keep on decreasing here, what will happen? Real value also you will keep on decreasing and you will come till 0. So all the real number will be here. Here also when you keep on decreasing from minus pi by 2 and keep on decreasing till 0, all the real number image you will get. So rest when you write down here, all will be repeating. That also will give you real number image, right? So that is already given, already we got it, right? So we are not going to take all those things. Now why we have taken only this one? The reason is finding angle, finding trigonometric ratio, it's much more easier with this angle. Okay, rest we are not taking. I hope you can understand. That's why your range, you can see your range was set of real number, and this was what? Set of real number except odd multiple. Odd multiple was not there, right? So when you reverse it, what will happen? This will become real number and this will become okay. Let's show you from here. Your domain was this one, range was this one, right? So when you take inverse, domain will become this one, range will become this one, right? But that won't be a function anymore, because all, if you take, you will not get all the image. Image will be repeating here, right? So if you reverse it, what will happen? Single element will have many image here when you reverse it. I hope you can understand from here. Many element, if they have common image, what will happen when you reverse it? Single element will have many image. That won't be a function anymore. So we are not taking all of it, okay, from here. So from here we will not take all, only minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. And you can see I have put open bracket. Why? Because this you cannot take. Just between this, remember open interval we have done in class 11. This means what? All the elements are here in this set except minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. Between this, whatever elements are there, everything will be included here. So those only we have taken as range. I hope it's clear. Similarly, you can see for the rest of the trigonometry function. Domain of cos is this one, range will be this one. You just see. I will show you the graph here, okay? Just the graph I will show you. Cos function, you can see. Range is what? Range means what? Y value, right? You can see y value is minus 1, maximum 1. After that, you will not get y value above this or lower this. Y value is everywhere, either minus 1 or 1, maximum. Okay? Maximum, and minimum is minus 1 only. So after that, all are repeating same value between minus 1 and minus 2. Y value. Minus 1 and 1, you can see everywhere. So that's why range is minus 1 to 1. And domain is real number. You can see x, whatever you take, all for all you will get y value or not. In previous case in 10 you have seen, right, for pi by 2 you don't get any y value. So that's why in that case we have not taken, in domain we have not taken those elements, okay? Real number except odd multiple of pi by 2 we have not taken there. But in this case for cos, all the real number will come out, all the real numbers you can see from here, okay? Now see, when you take inverse, again what will happen? You can see for x, this is 1. For here also, whatever, 2, if you take x 2 pi, then also 1. Right? 4 pi, then also 1. You might be thinking that this graph for cos and sine it is same. It's not same, you can see. For sine, you can see. At 0, when your x is 0, what is your y? Y is also 0. But for cos, when your x is 0, what is your y? Y is 1. Remember, cos 0 was how much? 1 only, right? So it's not same. You can see from here. Okay. So when I will take inverse, what I will take? I will take only those x for which only one element, one image will be there. So what I can take? So see here, I have to take those x for which image will be 1 to minus 1. Only one time I have to take. So see here, when I will take x0, what will be your y? 1. When you will move on, what will happen? All the image you will get from here 1 to this one, you already got it, right? So when you keep on moving x here, you can see till here, what will happen? Your y value will be minus 1. Can you see? Y value all will be included here, 1 to minus 1. Rest if you don't write also, because see, rest will be what? Repeating or not? This image is here also, this image is here also, this image is here also. All are repeating now. Right? All are repeating now. So rest if I don't take also no problem. So 1 to minus 1 image I have already taken. So x value what you will take? 0 to pi. Now why only this? I could have taken this one also, right? See, minus 1 to 1. This is also the one. Y value 1 to minus 1. Then x value you could have taken 0 to minus pi also. Yes, you can take, no problem. For that only, that also you will get, for that also you will get x value and y value, and y value will not repeat. For that also you can take, no problem. But as I told you, which one will be much easier for you to find out the trigonometric ratio? Obviously it will be easier from 0 to pi rather than 0 to. You can take from here also, no problem. Those students who are thinking that how to deal, which one I have to take, x from y from here to here, 0 to pi only. Why not from here to here? Again I repeat, you can take not from only here to here, you can take from here also. For example here, 4 pi to 5 pi also you can take, no problem, because see 4 pi to 5 pi also if you take, what will be your y values? 1 to minus 1 you will get or not? All the images you will get. Rest if you don't write, no problem, because rest are all repeating. Y value will repeat, so I don't have to take those which are repeating. So 4 pi to 5 pi also you can take. But when you find out sine 4 pi, which one will be easier? Sine 4 pi will be easier or 0 will be easier? Obviously this will be easier. So the one which is easier, we used to take that one from here. Okay, so from here we will take 0 to pi. So when you take 0 to pi, your range y is how much? 1 to minus 1. Is this clear? I know some students are not understanding this one. That if you have not understood, means you have not seen the first chapter, inverse function, properly. Inverse function you need to understand well, then only you can understand this one. Otherwise it will be difficult for you. Okay, so why I'm saying this one, I'm taking only this. The reason is, when you take inverse, it won't be a function. That's why we cannot take all. So we are taking only part of it. So this will be. So that's why you see, when I will draw a graph, only this portion, how it looks. This one, right? This portion will come out, but it will be in the y-axis, because you know, when you inverse this, your x will become your, whatever is your x here, it will become y. Whatever is your y here, it will become x. So that's why it will get reversed. You can see when I draw cos inverse, can you see here? Only this portion they have taken. So you can see, if I change the radian here, if I change the radian here, you can see now inverse graph. When your x value is 0, what is your y? Pi by 2. When your x is 1, what is your y? 0. When your x is minus 1, what is your y? This is how much? Pi. Can you see? Y value is 0 to pi. X value is minus 1 to 1. So your mapping will be something like this. I know some students are not understanding this one. If you have not understood, means inverse function you have not still seen properly. So initially what it was? For cos I am drawing, okay? For cos, all the real number to image was, range was minus 1 to 1 only you got, right? Y value always you got minus 1 to 1. Whatever real number you do. When you take inverse, what will happen? Minus 1 to 1 will be there. Its image will be many. See, real number when I will take 0. You can see it's 0, 1. Then again one image is there. Okay, let me change the... When your x is 0, what is your y? 1. So x 0, image is 1. When your x is 2 pi, then also image is 1. Right? So when you take, rest I will not take, just see here. When I will take inverse, what will happen? One image will be 0 also. 2 pi also will be there. Now if it is there, then will it be a function? Obviously it won't be a function. Even if you find out image of this, what will happen? This element will have how many image? 2 image. Already it is having 2 image. Now this is not a definition of function. Function means what? It must have exactly 1 image. Okay, so this won't be a function. That's why we cannot take all the elements here. Okay, so for 0, this is the element, this is the image, right? So rest, whatever element will give you this image, we will not take this one. So see here, 2 pi is giving 1, 4 pi is giving 1. This we are not going to take. Done. So only 0 is giving 1 from here to here, right? Rest you can see this also. X if you move on, this will give you y something. X if you move on till pi. After pi if you move, you can see this image will again repeat here This image repeat, till here it will be repeating. Next also, this also will be repeating with this, right? This also will be repeating same value or not? Why? Yes, so we are not going to take all those, okay? So we will take only from 0 to pi, this one. I hope it's clear now, okay? So when you take inverse, that's why we are not taking this one, only 0 to pi we will take here, okay? Because 0 to pi only will give you all the image. Pi will give you -1. Okay, all the image will be here itself. Okay, so and only one time. So this will be like this, 0 to pi. All the element will be here, and this image, all the element will be here. Okay, that's why cos domain is set of real number, range is this one. So when you take inverse, cos inverse will be this one. Range will be, it's not real number anymore, only 0 to pi. Okay, and I have written in this way so that you can remember. You can see it's like a family. Sine inverse and tan inverse, same range. The only difference is it is close interval, means in sine inverse this also will be there, this also will. Other than this, whatever angle is there in between, that also will be there. So tan inverse, open interval, this element and this element will not be there, only in between this. Okay, cos inverse, this will be the range, 0 to pi. For this one, no problem, whatever is your range here, same thing here also. Okay, so for cos inverse, range will be 0 to pi. Cot inverse also is 0 to pi. It will be much more easier to remember. That's why I've written in terms of family like that. Sine inverse and tan inverse, same kind of range. -pi/2 to pi/2, close interval. Tan inverse, open interval. Cos inverse and cot inverse, same, 0 to pi, 0 to pi, close inverse, close interval, open interval. Cosec, -pi/2, this is different, two different range it will have. You can see from the graph only, okay? This also you try to find out yourself. Your domain is set of real number except -1 and 1. You have seen, I guess, right, in your trigonometric table also. Cosec, any degree angle you take, you will never get value between this. All the real number you will get except minus. So yeah, I will show you the graph also. You can see the graph. When your x is 0 to any infinite value, y value is never 0 to 1. You can see x is 0, something here. Y is what? Something very big number. Not big number, actually undefined. 1 is also undefined. I mean 0. At 0 also you cannot get any y value. So right after 0, whatever is the y value will be there. It will be a big number. Okay. So same way you can see when your x is pi/2, what is your y value? 1. Exactly 1. You can see between 1 and -1 you will not get any y value. Can you see the graph? Yes, y value is always either equal to -1 or greater than -1. Right?